In this video, Bitcoin is right now crashing to the downside, and it's all because of the head and shoulders pattern that we have mentioned, as well as the rising wedge. And on top of that, we are going to give you an update with the Bitcoin price action on what's going to happen next. At the same time, what happened to our previous trade. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with PHEMEX and BYBIT, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, a lot of things to discuss for tonight, and it's actually a very big thing in what we have been seeing for the past few hours, especially that we have finally seen a Bitcoin confirmation of a breakdown with this Bitcoin price action. So let's now dive into the charts, and let's discuss first the short term, what we discussed for the shorter time frame. Especially last night we mentioned that we are seeing a bear flag for the hourly time frame, and take a look at that, guys. You would find that we saw that bear flag from this movement. And last time what I mentioned to you guys is we have to consider both bullish and bearish scenario. So as what I mentioned to you guys, if we see a candle close above the resistance here, let's put this line. If we see a candle close above the resistance, then we are going to open a long position. But if we see this candle close below the support area, then we are going to open a short position. And take a look at this, guys. Let's try to zoom in. Take a look at this. We saw a candle close below, just below the support area, and that's why we have opened a long position, and we were able to take advantage of these trades. And then right now, as you can see, if you're going to zoom out in the daily time frame, let's try to zoom out here with the Bitcoin price action. You would find that we are inside, or well, actually we are breaking out from this head and shoulders pattern from the daily time frame. So as you can see, we are now starting to break to the downside on top of this rising wedge. So right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So right now, this is our mega trade. So as what I mentioned to you guys yesterday, if we see a candle close, which we did earlier today, we are going to open a short position. So I opened a short position for the time being, and temporarily I have closed my short position for the time being at around the 104,000 US dollars, but I am going to reopen this and take a look at this, guys. So the targets for this Bitcoin price action is going to be the bottom of the wedge, because traditionally a rising wedge, the target of a rising wedge is usually this bottom of the wedge, and it's playing around the 100,000 US dollars. So to be exact, it's around the 100,600 US dollars, around that area. But if you are going to follow this head and shoulders pattern, this head and shoulders pattern is telling us that we are going to see Bitcoin to go to the 94,000 US dollar level. So right now, our main target for the Bitcoin price action is 94,000 US dollars. However, 100k is the first take profit area. So our first big thing that we have to watch out here for Bitcoin is for this to reach to 100k. And I don't think this is going to happen immediately. I think this might happen within the next few days. But looking at this within the shorter time frames, if you're going to open the 4-hour time frame, you would find that Bitcoin is trying to form a bullish divergence. So usually a bullish divergence is whenever the Bitcoin price is declining, at the same time the RSI is increasing. Those are traditional signs of a bullish trend reversal. So what does this mean? If we have a head and shoulders pattern forming and we are seeing a bearish breakout at the same time, we are seeing a bullish divergence, then what do we do with this trade? So in this case, what I would be doing is I will actually follow the daily time frame, because usually bigger time frame indicators tend to play out more than the smaller time frames. But remember, since we are seeing a potential bullish divergence, it's very crucial that every time we see Bitcoin go down and hit new all-time lows, not really an all-time low, but new lows for this current movement, then we have to adjust our stop loss into a trail stop along the way. Because if, let's say, we have started seeing this Bitcoin bullish divergence playing out, then at least we are able to secure our profits. Then it will close our position at our trail stop. So either way, we will be in profits. So right now, we are seeing a Bitcoin breakdown to the downside, especially from this head and shoulders pattern. But it's very crucial that you adjust your stop loss into a trail stop along the way because of this potential bullish divergence forming. And right now, I am going to reopen a trade once I see a good re-entry opportunity. And I can't specifically say what's my entry price is going to be, but definitely within the next few hours I am going to open a trade. And yeah, make sure guys that you follow my Facebook page, because on my Facebook page I will be telling you guys and on when will I be opening a trade. And then if you want to follow my trade, then you can follow it. So you can find my Facebook page in the link down below, or in the description down below. So make sure to follow my Facebook page. So yeah, right now we are seeing that Bitcoin downtrend, and on top of that, I want to show you guys the weekly time frame, because if you're going to open the 50-week moving average, which has been the support area of this Bitcoin bull market, you would find that right now the Bitcoin bull market support band, which is the 50-week moving average, is playing around the 101,000 US dollars. So if we are going to add more take profit targets, then of course the next target that we are also going to consider is around the 102,000 US dollars. So roughly around this area between the 102 to 103,000. So yeah, our first take profit area would be the 103,000. Then the next take profit area would be the 100,000 US dollar level. Then the final take profit area would be around the 94,000 US dollar level. So yeah, we have a lot of take profit area levels to follow and to monitor, and we are going to adjust our stop loss into a trail stop every time we see, or every time we hit our targets step by step. So yeah, if you want to take advantage of this next big trade, guys, make sure to trade this guys with BYBIT, because BYBIT has one of the lowest trading fees in the crypto market, as well as with PHEMEX and my other platforms. All of my sign up links are available, guys, in the description down below if you want to claim those bonus. And take note, PHEMEX also has an upcoming bonus. So if you're going to deposit with PHEMEX, you are going to get up to 30,000 US dollars of bonus if you're going to sign up with my link. So make sure to use my sign up link that you can find in the description down below. But anyway, that's all my update for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please share this video, guys, to your friends, and hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. Bye bye for now.